Sorry, it's just, I don't mean to laugh at this, but like, I'm sorry. I smoked before I went out, so it might.
Okay. On September 3rd, 2022, an officer initiated a traffic stop based on multiple observed indicators of impaired driving. DUI arrest is analyzed under Fourth Amendment precedent and NHTSA testing standards.
Hey, how you doing? Tech Police Department. Is everything okay?
Yeah, why?
You're all over the road. You slammed the curb back there on Howard. You're speeding up, slowing down. Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Is there anything wrong with the car?
I do have to get it washed. I do know that.
Okay.
I just haven't done that yet. But
Okay.
here's my registration.
Do you have any kind of medical issues or anything like that?
Just my arm is fractured, but that's not like anything medically like disabling me.
Not like diabetes, like, high blood pressure,
No.
vertigo, anything like that?
No.
Okay. So, can you hop out real quick for me?
Yeah, of course.
So what, like...
Sorry.
If you want to throw the paperwork back in the car, I don't need it. Alright, just step back this way. So, you said you guys are coming from where now?
Downtown?
Anywhere in particular? Or?
Just a couple bars.
Okay.
We're visiting friends and stuff. Like, my friend's boyfriend, he just came in from Philadelphia.
Okay.
So then we like met up with them after like on our way home.
Okay.
But she did have a shot there. I didn't drink at all.
Okay. How much have
Yeah.
you had to drink?
I had one drink at 7 p.m.
Okay.
and then I haven't drank since.
So you haven't had anything since 7 p.m.?
No.
Okay.
No, because we went to happy hour, or not happy hour, First Friday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you mind if I checked your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're okay to be driving?
I've never done one of those, so can I just get an explanation of what I have to do?
So first, right now I can smell some alcohol in your breath. You tell me that you drank at 7. That doesn't really compute with me.
I did throw up. I
Okay.
forced myself to throw up because I ate gross pizza.
Okay. When was that?
I ate the gross pizza at like 11, and then I threw up at like 12.
Okay.
But like I didn't throw up like willingly. I like forced myself to.
Okay.
So I don't know if like maybe it was still in my system.
Well, based on your driving and as I'm speaking with you, the kind of indications that I'm seeing, I'm concerned for your level of sobriety.
That's fine.
I'd like you to do some field sobriety exercises to kind of give me a better perspective
Okay.
of whether
I've just
you're
never done
impaired or
that.
whether
So
or
if you
not.
could like explain that to me beforehand.
None of it's meant to confuse you or anything like that. I'm going to make sure that you understand everything.
No, I don't care to be confused. I'm literally a blonde, so.
Okay. So you're all right with that?
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm
Tell you
literally.
what, just hang tight right here. I'm going to turn these front lights off so they don't flash you.
Okay.
All right. What was your name?
Gianna.
Johnny, do you wear glasses or contacts?
No.
Just stand right here on
I
my
mean,
flashlight.
I like blue light glasses.
No, but you don't have contacts in right
Like
now.
prescription.
Right.
No.
Okay. Go ahead and put your feet together for me. Hands down by your side.
Does it matter that my feet go like inward?
No, right now, just
Okay.
want you to stand like that. All right. Can you see my light right here?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Red.
All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this red light from side to side. All right, hold that.
Sorry, it's just I don't mean to laugh at this, but like I'm sorry. I smoked before I went out, so it might.
Okay.
Can I do this away from that light?
What do you mean?
Because like whenever you move it over there, I always want to look at that light.
Well, tell you what, does that make it a little bit easier? If I put my
Can
finger
I
behind
like,
it.
Can I turn this way?
Tell you what, why don't you
Just
turn
so
and face
it's
this
not
way?
like okay,
Yeah.
yeah. I just don't want it to be in my eyes. Because I
Okay.
keep looking at that one and I'm like, oh.
He says Gianna.
Yes.
Gianna. I'm seeing some things in your eyes that's giving me some concern as far as your level of sobriety. So, will you participate in the remaining field sobriety exercises? There's 2 more I'd like you to do.
Yeah, what do I have to do?
Okay. Tell you what, I'm going to have you just step right over here.
Okay.
Stand right there on that white line. I'm going to adjust my car and come right back to you. All right, Gianna, are you comfortable wearing these shoes?
Yes, but I do have a question.
Sure.
So, I can't walk in a straight line sober.
Okay.
Like, because my feet point inward, so whenever I take a step, it's always out and then in. If
Okay.
that makes sense.
A little bit.
So do you want me to take
Just
my
do me a
shoes
favor.
off?
Just stand over by the tree for me, okay?
Because you know how people have like duck feet?
Sure.
I don't have that. Like, I like physically, like, it feels weird to do that.
Okay.
So, like, I know how, like, people, like, walk. Like, I don't really know how to do that. But I walk inward.
Okay.
Like, my feet just naturally go inward.
Sure.
So, like, whenever I take a step, it's, like, one and then one.
Okay.
But, like, it's never, like, toe to heel, if that makes sense. Like, I physically, like, that feels weird to me. Like, it feels uncomfortable.
Are you diagnosed with any kind of medical issue with that?
I've never, like, asked a doctor to. I haven't been to a doctor, like, since before college.
Okay.
Like, since, like, freshman year of college, like, before I started college, I had, like, my college, what's it called, physical.
Sure.
And then ever since then, I haven't been to a doctor because I, like, haven't needed to, like, for, like, any physical or anything. Like, I never mentioned anything. They just always knew. It was always the same doctor.
Okay. I mean, I'll keep that in mind. You know, I'll take that.
I just didn't know
that's
that,
not,
like,
so,
if I needed to do something different
so
or something.
there's two more standardized exercises.
Okay, that's fine.
I will say, you know, walking heel to toe in the line are two of the things. I will keep that in mind, but those aren't the only two things that I'm looking for.
Okay, so that doesn't matter, right? Like, I don't. Do you want me to take my shoes off?
I want you to do it however you feel like you want to be the most comfortable.
I love these boots, so I'd rather keep them on.
Yeah, keep
them
on.
But I just don't want that to be like, oh my God, she's like walking like this.
No, keep them on. That's fine.
Okay.
All right. Tell you what. Do you see you see like the black strip between the white and the blue? Hear what you said.
Like, do you care if I take like a little space in between because it kind of like squishes my thighs and it doesn't feel comfortable?
Well, I mean, everybody's thighs kind of squish a little bit. Okay, I'm not asking you to walk
like
China like that.
This just feels like I'm like clenching, and I just don't.
Okay.
I'll do it. I promise I'll do it. But I just wanted to ask because it just kind of.
Okay. So again, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay.
So one.
Nope. Go ahead and put your right foot back touching heel to toe. Oh, hang on.
Oh, sorry.
All right. And then you can go ahead and begin.
So one, right? That's one.
Just like I showed you, just like I explained it to you.
But that would be one, right?
Correct.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you said back heel first?
Just like I showed you, just like I explained it to you.
2, 3, 4. It doesn't have to be 9, right, for that?
Just like I showed you, just like I explained it to you.
1,
Heel toe.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3.
That's okay. You can relax. Okay. So just stand right there on my flashlight. There you go. Turn face towards the front of my car. There you go. Feet together, hands down by your side. Nope, down by your side. When I tell you to begin, what I want you to do, for whatever reason, you put your foot down.
Starting at 1,000?
Right, so 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, so forth, so on, okay? If you put your foot down, pick it right back up and continue where you left off.
Okay.
Any questions? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you can go ahead and begin.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005.
I want you to look at your toe while you're counting.
What?
Look down at your toe while you're counting.
1,006. Wait, do I restart?
I want you to keep going.
Okay. 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010, 1,011, 1,012,
You can relax.
1,022.
You can relax. Okay, feet together, hands on by your side. All right. What I want you to do now is just go ahead and put your hands on your back for me. So what's going on right now is you're getting placed under arrest for driving under the influence.
Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, weaving, a curb strike, and erratic speed each independently satisfy reasonable suspicion. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977. The stop alone authorized exit order. No additional justification is required. The subject voluntarily disclosed marijuana use and a prior drink, both admissible, unsuppressible, and directly building probable cause without any legal compulsion. The Fifth Amendment protects silence. It does not require speech. Every voluntary admission during a stop ISA statement the defense cannot suppress. HGN 88% accuracy, walk and turn 79%, one leg stand 83%. All three are NHTSA validated. Courts broadly admit results when proper protocol is followed. Probable cause for DUI arrest rests on the totality. Driving conduct, FST clues, admissions, and sensory observations combined. No single factor is dispositive. Birchfield v. North Dakota, 2016. Breath tests incidental a lawful DUI arrest require no warrant, Refusal triggers administrative suspension under implied consent law. Graham v. Connor, 1989. All restraint force must be objectively reasonable. A disclosed pre-existing injury is a relevant factor. Ignoring it creates Section 1983 exposure. Case outcome unknown. Analysis rests on footage and controlling precedent alone.
Okay. When we get down to booking, I'm going to ask that you submit to a breath sample that's going to measure the amount of alcohol that you have in your system. All right. If you don't, there's some penalties that will go along with that. Namely, your license will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your license has been previously suspended for a prior refusal. Okay?
But why am I...
Based on the totality of the circumstances, I believe that your normal faculties are impaired. Okay? So help up this way. Do you have anything in the car that you want to take with you? Like a wallet or a cell phone or anything like that?
Yeah, can I take my phone and my wallet?
We'll grab it. So will you provide a breath sample when we get down to booking?
Do I have to?
Well, if you don't, like I said, your license is going to get suspended for a period of 1 year for a
And
first
if
refusal.
I
If you do, if you blow above a .08, it'll be a 6-month suspension. If you blow below a .08, it's not a suspension.
do? Okay, but like regarding being arrested, like,
So you're under arrest, period. So
yeah.
So that's that. Whether or not
But
you blow, it doesn't have any effect.
what's the reasoning on that?
Based on the totality of the circumstances. You're
What is?
driving.
I don't know what totality
It means the whole picture. Okay, so you're
Okay.
driving, in my contact with you, and the field sobriety exercises.
Can you tell me what I did wrong?
So here, tell you what, just gonna grab a seat in here for me.
Okay.
All right, just grab a seat for me.
Help! 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 Wait! It hurts my arm! My left arm is fractured! It hurts so bad!
Here, hop out real quick.
It hurts so bad!
Listen, it's got to be on, but I can put 2 sets of cuffs.
I know, but it hurts!
Where's your arm broken at?
It's fractured in
Where?
my forearm. It hurts so bad.
Is it too far behind your back, or is it the actual handcuff on your wrist?
Both. It hurts so bad.
Here's what I can do. I can put a second set of cuffs on you.
No, take this one off. Take that one off.
It's got to stay on.
No, can you make it looser? It hurts so bad.
Hang on.
It hurts so
Hang on.
bad.
Stop spinning.
It hurts so bad.
Okay, stop spinning.
The officer receives a B+. Stop legally grounded. All 3 SFSTs administered in sequence with complete implied consent advisement. Fractured arm accommodation. Correct. Grade falls short of A. Specific FST clue counts wear-out stated on camera before arrest. A documentation gap that weakens the evidentiary record on appeal. The subject receives a C+. Physical compliance was sound. Non-resistance is always the correct legal choice. However, voluntary admissions materially damaged her defense. Field sobriety tests are not legally mandatory in most jurisdictions. Participating creates a scored record. Declining carries no criminal penalty, a right not invoked here. Lesson 1. Never volunteer substance use during a stop. Voluntary admissions are admissible, unsuppressible, and build probable cause directly. Lesson 2. No FST rights before the encounter. Declining is legal. Participating creates evidence. The decision must be informed, not reactive. Lesson 3. Officers must state FST clue counts on camera before announcing arrest. Undocumented findings easily challenged in court. Lesson 4. Disclosed injuries must be accommodated. Failure to do so converts a lawful arrest into potential civil rights liability under Section 1983. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below.